Hey, my name's Sara Wilson. I currently live in San Francisco, California, and I work at Google doing account services. My title is an account strategist. My MacBook stopped working. I had opened it and it was on low battery, so I plugged it into a charger, and then it just said that the device accessory could not be read or it wasn't working. So I unplugged it and shut my device and put it away. The next day I had opened it again to try to get it to, work. I plugged it into a charger and it just never turned back on. So ever since I had an iPhone, I have been using my computer to back up my photos and videos. So I had around 20,000 pictures and videos since 2008, if not earlier. And my best friend suddenly passed about 2 months ago now. And all of my pictures, I've known him since I was a little kid. So all of my pictures throughout all those years were on my laptop and were pretty irreplaceable. My experience with DriveSavers was genuinely one of the best customer service experiences I've ever been through. They were empathetic to my situation. I talked them through how sudden this was. Like, I lost my friend and the next day my computer stopped working. There was no rhyme or reason. A bunch of places turned me down, said I need a new hard drive. They weren't giving me much hope, but when I called DriveSavers, they were not only empathetic, but really clear and honest about what they were going to be able to do for me. They really lifted my hopes in a time where I really needed it. Additionally, they got me back the entirety of my laptop when originally I had just asked for the photos and videos. So it was about almost 20 years of data that they recovered for me, along with all of my photos and videos, so I couldn't be more thankful. I thought DriveSavers' technical abilities were A1. They told me that they were going to get back my photos and videos for me, or they were going to try their hardest. And then not only were they able to do that, but they were also able to give me back the entirety of my data. They also explained all the different options and cost options in terms of which kind of technical solutions I wanted. And I thought that was extremely helpful, and it showed their breadth of skill set and knowledge within the area, especially with Mac computers. I would 100% recommend DriveSavers to anybody experiencing data loss and in need of recovery. I've already spoken extremely highly of them to my family and friends, and now if anybody ever experiences this, I will know exactly who to direct them to, and I'll feel confident in doing that.
DriveSavers, we can save it.